Hi everyone, it's Josh here from FERMVISION Australia. Today demonstrating our new FVQ-6020APP kit. This is a totally redesigned residential video intercom system. Actually, the GUI itself was designed here in Australia with a new door station and new monitor that's Wi-Fi connected to your internet to allow app support. The box itself has two sides to it. We use the same box for the standard FVQ-6020 kit, which is the video intercom without app support, as with the kit that comes with the Wi-Fi monitor. And the way you can tell whether it is a Wi-Fi kit or a non-Wi-Fi kit is if you look at the side of the box, you'll see the model number here, which is FVQ-6020APP, or alternatively, on the side of the box itself, you'll have a dot indicating the devices you are getting. In this case, the door station, the power supply, and a Wi-Fi monitor. On the other side of the box, we've got a wiring schematic which shows cable limitations as per the limitation table here. The most common seems to be Cat5, which stipulates that the distance, the maximum recommended distance from the door station to the power supply is 40 meters, and from the power supply to the monitor is 80 meters. Another enhancement of this door station over the previous model is we can actually do 2 lock releases directly from the door station itself, which is great if you have a front gate and possibly a garage entrance, or you might have a front gate and a secondary entrance off to the side. It can all be powered or activated from the same door station. So let's open the box and see what you get inside. Okay, so this is the box itself, unpacked. What you can see is here we get the power supply, the keypad, and the monitor. And I'll just take out all the devices and set them here on the table. Apart from those 3 boxes, you also get a warranty card and the installer's manual that comes within the box itself. And if we put the box to the side, we'll open up the power supply first, the 6017 PC6. Inside the box you get a little plastic bag with the green plug and the screw terminals. We'll set that off to the side. Oops. The power supply is bubble wrapped. So if we open that up, so this is the power supply unit for the system. Comes with a DIN rail mounted if need be, and this one power supply is capable of supporting 4 door stations or 4 internal monitors. The green plug is connected down the bottom here. You've got bus IM and bus DS. Bus IM is for the internal monitors and bus DS is for the door stations, the system being a 2-wire system. If we open up the door station next, inside the box of the door station you get another bag with the green plugs, some screws and white plugs, and a tool to take off the cover from the door station itself. Nothing else in there. Okay, nicely bubble wrapped. If we open up the door station, here it is. Very heavy, mechanical buttons. I think it looks great, to be honest. And then there's the release screw at the bottom of the door station. IP rated, suitable to be located outside. We'll just set that to the side. And then finally the monitor box. If we open up the monitor, inside the monitor box, again, you get green terminal plugs and screws. And then here is a 7-inch flat screen monitor, very slim fit, Looks great as well. Very elegant, very high-end, but at an amazing price. If we open this up, and we set that to the side. So here are the contents of the box. We've got our power supply with our plug directly to be connected into a power point. Green plug there. We've got our door station and our monitors. Okay. This is Josh from Fermax Australia. Bye for now.